In this video, we will be installing the Lippert Victory Step. First, attach the footman loop to each of the latching mechanisms on the step. Then, position the step in the desired mounting location, making sure there is enough space to accommodate the installation of the footman loops and the handrail if equipped. Then place the angle bracket underneath the footman loop and align the holes. Position both until tab is flush vertically to mounting surface and center tab is behind the footman loop. Then repeat on the opposite side. After that, mark the holes in both footman loops. You can now remove the footman loops from the step. Fasten the footman loop and angle brackets to the trailer. Repeat on the opposite side.